Today I had the pleasure of visiting beside Tracy Grills from Eco Lighting Solutions. Welcome to Empower Media, Tracy.
Oh, thank you. I appreciate the invitation.
And what can you tell us about it? Why did you start into your business? Tell us about it.
Well, interestingly enough, I have a bunch of rental properties, and I was looking for ways to make those rental properties more green and use it as marketing for attracting better tenants. And when I realized I started to do this, I thought, if I'm going to do this for myself, why don't I do it for other people?
So how does it really, Eco Lighting Solutions, help you in life or in a business or a condominium?
Well, let me give you an example, DJ. We do a lot of condominium work. And most often we go into condominium buildings and we save them between 50 and 90% of their energy bills. People kind of scoff at us and say, how? Well, if it's okay with you, I'd like to show you how. So DJ, essentially, if you consider this is your energy bill for a condominium, it might be $10,000 a month, it might be $1,000 a month, but it really doesn't matter. The point is, when we go and do condominium lighting conversions, we take the energy bill they have and immediately cut it in half. And now there's another trick to eco lighting, and it's not just supplying energy or light bulbs, but if we take that same, say, a parkade and put it on occupancy sensors so that the parkade shuts down when nobody's in there, you take the half that you have left and you're going to take away 85% of that. So now, for example, you've got less than 10% of your energy bill left for your parkade. So if it was costing you $10,000 a year, it now costs you $1,000 a year to light that parkade. And your lighting now lasts 5 times as long.
That was very impressive, by the way. I mean, just to see how much you can cut your bill down.
It doesn't really matter how big or how small your bill is, because everybody can benefit. But I'll give you one example. We recently finished a condominium just off McLeod Trail in Calgary. It's 200 units, and it had 2 full-size parkades running 24 hours a day. Hallway lighting, stairwell lighting. We completed the entire condominium and converted the whole thing over to LED. And we're saving them over $47,000 a year in electricity.
Wow.
And that doesn't include any maintenance. The maintenance savings are on top of that.
Oh my goodness, that's a lot of money.
It pays for itself in less than 2 years.
Absolutely. What is it that you enjoy the most every day when you see results like that?
Well, it energizes me because I've always been the guy. I was the guy building solar panels in my backyard when I was 20, and my landlord probably would have been horrified because I was running pipes and hoses in and out of his house, and he didn't even know it. So it's kind of funny. But when I look at how much energy you can save a client, I mean, for example, that example I just gave you, $47,000 a year sounds like a lot. But for every resident in that condo, it's saving them $25 a month back in their pocket.
What kind of people do you work with the most? Contractors?
Well, condominium clients is a large part of our business, but a very rapidly growing part of our business is the electrician, the contractor, that doesn't want to go to a standard wholesaler because he doesn't know what he needs. He doesn't know what he wants. He doesn't know what's available. He wants good products because he doesn't want to have to go back and fix them, and that's what we find for him. We as a company, we carry virtually any type of LED product, right down from the smallest light bulb to the big commercial fixtures, street lighting, exterior lighting, parkade lighting.
Tracy, what other markets do you like to work with?
Well, one of the markets that we don't work with often, and we don't often work with directly, is high-end home builders, custom home builders, custom homes. So when you get into larger volumes of products, they demand better quality because they're not looking to meet a price point. They're not looking for the cheapest product they can because they don't want to replace it. People that live in big homes don't have time. They don't want to mess with it. They just say, put the best stuff in. I'm value driven. I'm not price driven. I want the best quality at a fair price.
Absolutely. And where are you guys located, though?
We're right on the corner of 19th Street and 32nd Ave Northeast in Northeast Calgary.